Oh, we have got something, a big box here. I know what it is, but you guys don't know what it is. But I'll keep you, actually, you probably know what it is based on the title of this video. But yes, it's here. Miata's right over there. 350Z. And this thing right here. Let's get to it. Alright, got it opened up. Let's see. Yo, that looks fire. Look at these welds. All this looks so fire. God damn, it's heavy. What's this? Easy seal exhaust clamp. Oh, that's sick. We got a letter. That's cool. This is all custom. This is sick. Okay, I can't. It's raining. Can't do this right now, but it's freaking sick. Ah! I can't even get in there. Yo, that's fire though. That's mad good. Oh, these welds look so good. This is the Enthuza 3-inch exhaust. Let's see that tip. Come on, just the tip. Let's sit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We'll do a little something with that tip. I'm not really sure what I'll do yet, but that looks pretty good. Hey babe. Or maybe that's not the tip. Yeah, that's not the tip. I take that back. This is the tip. There we go. We'll do something with that. I'm not sure what I'll do, but we'll do something with that. This is sick. Yeah, this is pretty freaking nice. I'm juiced. Nice, nice. I love it. Awesome. All right, what's up, everybody? Happy Valentine's Day. Happy to see your smiling faces. You all look fantastic. Because it's Valentine's Day today, I'm not gonna do too much on the car, but I still wanna do a little bit of something. My wife is unfortunately working. Sorry you had to work, babe. Love you. But I'm gonna do a little bit right now. After that, I'm gonna go do some Valentine's Day shopping stuff because I'm a man and I do everything late. Just how it goes. I'll take my kiddos out with me. But for now, I'm gonna do a little bit of something to the Miata. We're gonna be doing the exhaust. I just got the Enthuzacar, Enthuza something exhaust. I got the Enthuza exhaust here. It's a custom 3-inch exhaust all the way to the back. It goes from the cap back. Got that already there. I got the rear finish panel. And if I have a little bit of time, I'm going to do a little something with the tail lights. They are a little bit jank, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of some of that. But it's been a while since I've actually turned on the 350Z. I'm curious if it even starts anymore because it's been so long since I've actually turned it on. So enjoy this, hopefully me turning on the 350Z. So let's get to that. All right, now don't judge how dirty it is in here. Yes, this is all jank. I do have a replacement for it right here. I haven't done it yet. I am recording the outside with my camera and my new gimbal, so let me know what you guys think about that. It's dirty, forget it. Let's just see if it even starts. All right. Whoop. Ooh, baby. Yes, let's go. Yes, yes, yes. Look at all that. I probably shouldn't be doing that from a cold start, but woo! Let's go. And into some B-roll. All right, so I got the 350Z started off right at the first time, and that's pretty amazing. I left the other camera in there, so I'm using this right now. But yeah, I want to show you guys the exhaust, the Enthuza exhaust. Enthuza race car, Enthuzacar. I don't remember what it's actually called. I know it's Enthuza. But anyways, I want to show you guys. I'm going to take it out of the box and show you what came in. The only thing I don't have in there is it did come with some really nice instructions on how to do it. I don't read instructions, so kind of set them aside, and that was about it. But anyways, we'll go ahead and put this one outside, and I'll start to get to work on the car. So I'll see you guys in a few. Assuming it goes like this, that side being the tip. We'll set that right there, I guess. Nice 3-incher. Now it did come with this exhaust clamp. Wow, can I even speak today? Exhaust clamp. It did come with it on there. Came inside the box, so that's cool. And I ordered these guys. I noticed that my bumper was a little bit lower, like where the hole sits. So this should give me the flexibility of mounting it where it's not touching it, because I have a feeling this is gonna get very hot and I don't want it to melt the bumper. So there's that. Let's get this bad boy unwrapped. So as you can see, this right here, this muffler tip is actually touching on the bumper, and it's causing this to go in. This actually sits a lot nicer out. It's supposed to sit like that. But it gets pushed in. So this one's got to come out, and this new one's got to go in. So let's get straight to that. All right, so I'm under the car, and there's my downpipe. There's my catalytic converter. I have a test pipe. I think I'm just gonna swap that out right now. And so that means that I need to take off this one. If I take these two off, I can take this off outside. How do I wanna do this? How do I wanna do this? Yeah, I think that's my best bet. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the test pipe. I gotta find it because I don't know where it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, and then just take off the hanger right there, and hanger right there, and then the hanger's off the muffler, and we should be good. So I'll do that, and I'll check in with you guys when I'm done. All right, got that one off. So that's now off of there. Now I gotta fight with these things, and if you've ever done this before, you know that these things suck. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna take off the bottom one. I'm just gonna go straight for the top one on each one of these, or actually whichever one comes off. There we go. There we go. All right, that bad boy's off, and we've got just the one over there, so I'll go do that in a sec. Boom. All right, so I just got the muffler off, and I was gonna be putting on a test pipe, which I didn't make myself, I actually bought it already like this. I didn't get it for too much money, thankfully, because I just noticed the welds are garbage, actually. And they're so garbage that you can actually see through them. So that's a problem. I'm not gonna go ahead and put that on. Instead, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the stock catalytic converter. For now, I'll figure out a different solution later. I'll most likely just have someone make another test pipe for me. This one wasn't made for me. This one I just bought off of a guy because I thought I didn't have a catalytic converter. So that's just kind of what happened there. But I'll go ahead and just have someone make one for me, not a big deal. But this is the comparison. Check this out. So let this calm down. All right, so we've got Enthuza Racing exhaust, the turbo exhaust right here, 3 inches from here all the way there. Now I'm not the biggest fan of the tip, but we'll do something with that. I don't know what, but maybe we'll face it down. I'm not sure. Really not sure. It's just a blank slate for me to do whatever the heck I want with it. But first things first, let's get this side, the muffler, on there so that we can mess around with the placement of the muffler tip so that it doesn't touch the body kit anymore. So let's get to that part. All right, so unfortunately the card got full on the other camera, which that kind of sucks. I'm not sure where it stopped filming, but basically the muffler, I put on the muffler portion of it, and I had to put this for the actual car. I had to use this hole all the way on the bottom, and at the end of it I got a pretty decent fitment. There's probably about 1.5 inches of clearance between the muffler and the body kit. So tired. The back bumper, so it should be fine and dandy. But yeah, we got to get to the rest of the muffler, which is going to be taking off the catalytic converter and putting that on the rest of the muffler pipe, the piece, and then slapping that on there, and we'll be done at that point. I am a fan of the 3-inch right there, but we need to do something with that muffler tip because it looks kind of jank. So let me know what you guys think. Should I like turn it down? Should I have it turn it up? Do you guys have any specific tips in mind that you think would look cool? I definitely don't want to do like the ricer straight out and then like super tall pipe up. I'm not the biggest fan of that. Although, because I'm not the biggest fan of it, and because it is ricer, and because it's fun to upset the internet, it might not be the worst thing in the world. So hey, we'll see what happens. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys a sound clip, but the battery is pretty much dead and I've got no gas. So I gotta get gas, charge the battery, and then we can go ahead and hear this puppy roar. So that just means that you're gonna have to come back to the next video. Sorry. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Just kidding. Actually, I am not kidding about the fact that you do have to come watch the next video, because that's where the sound clip is gonna be. I'm literally just gonna put on the lights and the rear finish panel, and then this car is done. So if you want to see what it looks like with the lights and rear finish panel and everything once it's done, keep on watching till the end. Overall, am I happy with the exhaust? Yeah. The KBD kit does make it so that it touches just a little bit, unless you have the spacers, not spacers, but like those the rubber hangers that are a little bit longer. I think I'm gonna need even longer ones than these, or I'm gonna have to have my muffler shop do something about it. But overall, I am happy with the build on the exhaust. It's fantastic, bolted on pretty nice. KBD kit does kind of throw it off, like I said. But let me put this rear finish panel, and then we can end the video. So I got this rear finish panel. It wasn't from, it's not like a stock one, but it's from, I believe, Miata. I got it on eBay. It's not OEM material either, so it's supposed to be stronger. Fitment looks pretty nice. This right here is dented to hell. If you guys know how to fix this, please let me know in the comments below. I don't know how I'm gonna fix this, but I gotta do something about it. But let's get this bad boy on, and then I have the lights. I'm not gonna have time, but what I plan on doing with these guys, and it might come in the next video, it might come in one future video, I don't know. But I'm gonna sand these guys down. I'm going to sand them, clear them, and then we'll see how I like it like that. I may make them black. I may leave them just nice and just OEM looking, just stock. But yeah, because this one's got some black paint on it, I can take that off, and I can take all the scratches off. I can make them look pretty. Sand, clear, and then polish them, and they should look like brand new. Doesn't even have a little bit. Damn it. I'm out of gas, I can't start the car, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and put the lights on, and with a little bit of YouTube magic, boom. Whoa. YouTube magic took off my glove. Yeah, so that's all set, that's all done. Got quite a bit of body work to do over here. It is more messed up than I thought. This doesn't have the best fitment, but I'm pretty certain that I can make all of this work. It's not bad. Let me close that up. That looks better. So that looks pretty good. The exhaust is on there. Now, I had to actually use the test pipe even though I said I wasn't going to. Reason being is the catalytic converter on this thing is, the bolts are just stuck on there. I couldn't take them off. And instead of fighting with that, I decided, screw it, I'm gonna need to make another one anyway. So I put that one on for now. But if you're watching this and you have a test pipe, or you can make me a test pipe, send me a DM or drop a comment. Hello? I'm tired now. And I'd be happy to buy one off of one of you guys. Because yeah, I'm gonna need one. This is a 1.6, so keep that in mind. Just 1.6 test pipe. I'm not looking for a cat, I'm looking for a test pipe. I want to run it straight all the way through. So that's pretty nice. I dig it. Aside from that, everything that I was gonna do today is already done. If you're new here, I make videos every week, and it's gonna be some new part that's being installed in the car or something along those lines. Every single week. I already have all the parts, so I have a lot of videos that I know are going to be coming out every single week. I've got my teen coilovers that are I may install tomorrow, as a matter of fact, which means you won't see that this week, but you'll see it the next week. So I'm dropping one video a week, but maybe I'll drop a second one, I don't know. I've also got every brake component to upgrade the entire system from 1.6 to 1.8. I also have the knuckles coming in, modded knuckles, rear upper control arms. So there's a lot that's going to be going on with this car. I'll be posting a video when I take it to go get dynoed, tuned, as well as aligned. And I'll also be, I'm not sure yet on the color, so I haven't decided whether I want to do wrap or whether I want to do paint. But something of those lines is going to happen. Roll cage is going to go on there. Drifty brake is going to go on there. So yeah, lots to come in the channel. So definitely like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment what you like so far about my Miata, if anything at all, and what you'd like to see me do to it. If you have any ideas that I haven't actually mentioned, I'm open, I'm all ears. If you know, give me some suggestions. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching this far. Let me know if you've actually made it this far. I don't think a lot of you are watching this far, so let's see. Comment purple reindeer if you actually made it this far. I just want to see how many of you guys are actually making it this far. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.